My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam and fake Windows support alerts, which quote this fake Windows support number +1 844 893 2246. This is a fake Windows support number, and you should not trust all these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer right now. If you see these fake alerts, don't trust them and don't ever interact with them. Such pop-ups try to deceive you and to trick you into calling this fake Windows support number. If you do that, you will hear some online hackers who will be hunting for your money. They may try to connect to your computer remotely and demand money from you, supposedly to get your computer fixed. Don't ever trust all these pop-ups. They are totally fake and deceptive. I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.